Good afternoon. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna unboxing my new Redmi Buds 5. So let's take a look around the box before we got inside of it. On the front, the picture of the headphones itself in sky blue. I got it one. You can get it depending on your colors. There are 3 colors available: black, white, and sky blue. At the bottom it says Redmi Buds 5, and at the top it says Xiaomi. At the bottom there's a QR code, which is Xiaomi earbuds app. On the left, it's specifications and features onto it. At the top, it's security check and something. And on the left, it says here's Google Fast Pair support. Now, to the back, we have some specification in different languages, serial number and whatnot. And now, it's time to break the seal. Okay, the seal is open. Let's break out the box. Okay, this is what you're going to see inside the box. You have the earphones itself. Let's put this aside. On the bottom, on the right, sorry, you have a USB-A to USB-C cable. And the replacement ear tips. Again, it matches to the earphone's color depending on your color you bought. And lastly, you have instruction manual in different languages, and there's nothing else in the box. So let's recap what's in the box. You have instruction manual in different languages, USB-C to USB, a normal USB or USB-C cable, apologized, replacement ear tips, and the earbuds itself. Okay, apologize for the notification. Okay, let's take off the plastic of these earphones and pairing for the first time. It shows the extraction, you can see right there. Whew, looks beauty. Says please remove before use. Okay, let's remove. Okay, on my phone, let's go to Xiaomi earbuds app. And yep, there we go. Pair. Alright, it's been paired. And this is Google Fast Pair. Save to my device. Save. And there you have it. It's already set it up. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing and set it up my new Redmi Buds 5 in sky blue. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye and peace out.